So here is how we can add multiple Gmail accounts onto the iPhone. So if this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so you probably are using the Mail app made by Apple, right? And in there you can see you have your emails and everything, right? And if you want to add like another Gmail account in there, all you have to do is to open up the settings like so. Just make sure you come back if you are doing something else and be on the main page, where at the bottom entirely we have the apps section. And a part of this, we need to find the mail. So let me just get there. As such, it's all sorted alphabetically, so it's pretty easy to find. So click on mail and then now proceed to the mail accounts. And now currently I have one from Apple, which is the iCloud, and then I have one from Google, the Gmail one. So in order to add a new one, I can literally just click on add account and either just type it in right now or click on the little blue button below, which says choose from a list. And when I click on this, it gives me the provider list, and I'll just go with Google, click on open browser, and it just gives me the regular sign-in page. So I can add literally another email into my mail app. So yeah, you can see I can use it for multiple different things. Like if I show it to you with the other Gmail, I can use it for mail, for contacts, calendars, and even for notes. So you can use it for multiple different purposes. But if you only want to use it for email, if you get inside and just click on the top left arrow, you'll be able to see a section at the top, which is everything put together. Now this iCloud email and the one from Google. And if I actually added another Gmail, I would have it below, right? So it would just give you another possibility to separate your emails and have as many accounts as you want, really. So that's how it would work. That's how you can add multiple Gmails onto the iPhone. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you later.